Hey guys, we're doing the team draw now for the 4-box mix break. 7:18:24 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants, we're going 3 times. Oi. 1, 2, and 3. Yoink. Now, team draw. Going 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So copy that one. Random is complete, and the teams are Ben Francis Thunder, Bill Papadopoulos with the Knicks, Laker, Raptors, Albie Heat, Billy Hoyle, Grizz, Reese with Rockets, Tim with Mavericks, Jules, Kings, Deegan, Blazers, Hayden with Nets, Joshua Leslie, Magic, Reese, Suns, Bill, Warriors, Reese, Wizards, Bill, Hawks, Nathaniel, Jazz, Bill, Pistons, Sash with T-Wolves, Braden Chittleborough with Bucks, Philip Tran, Nuggets, Daniel with Celtics, Kiwi Sixers, Nick Watson Pacers, Johnny Deegan Pelicans, Jake Valvo, Lakers, Dale Bulls, Bill with Cavs, Reese with Clippers, Mr. Holland with Spurs, and Andrew with the Hornets. And that is the team list.